Okay, so you originally purchased your MPDU unit from the county before March 20th, 1989. What this means for you is that your control period is about 10 years, probably 10 years. There are a few instances in the county where the control period is a little bit longer than 10 years, but most likely it's 10 years. And 10 years from any time before March 20th, 1989 means that you've exceeded that control period of 10 years. In other words, you can sell the property, you can hire a listing broker to sell the property for you, and once you secure a buyer and go to settlement, you can keep 100% of the net gain from that transaction. I would still recommend contacting the county just to verify that you're in the 10-year control period and not one of those particular situations where the control period may be as much as 15 years. But most likely you can keep 100% of your net gain, and you can contact the listing broker today and put it on the market and just sell it and keep 100% of that profit.